a simple potato recipe. Pan-fried shredded potatoes, soft, tender, and tasty. Peel one potato and shred it. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper, then toss well to combine. Heat oil in a pan, add the shredded potatoes and press firmly with your hand to flatten. Fry over medium-low heat until the bottom sets, then flip and cook until both sides turn golden brown. Sprinkle some barbecue seasoning for extra flavor. It's easy to make and saves time. Give it a try. Simple steps for a tender, flavorful ribs that'll have you licking the plate. Heat oil in a wok. Add the pork ribs. Fry over medium heat until one side is browned, then flip. Cook until both sides are golden and fragrant. Drizzle with a splash of cooking wine. Toss in green onions, ginger, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon. Add light and dark soy sauce. Mix quickly for color. Pour in enough boiling water to cover the ribs. Add pre-made caramelized sugar or a few rock candies. Cover with a lid and simmer for 30 minutes. Add a teaspoon of salt for seasoning. Cover again and cook for another 10 minutes to let the flavors soak in. Crank up the heat to thicken the sauce. Let it coat the ribs well. Dig in. Add fresh corn to the pot. Top with 2 cheese slices and 1 piece of butter. Slowly pour 400 milliliters milk. Cover the pot. Simmer on medium-low for 10 minutes. Time's up. Creamy milk-scented corn is done. Don't waste leftover cheesy milk. 2 scoops into black coffee. Creamy latte. So refreshing. Cook instant spicy noodles in the same pot. Toast with sauce until fully coated. Sprinkle seaweed and sesame. Then add a runny poached egg. 1 pot, 3 treats, sweet corn, cheesy milk latte, and spicy noodles. Totally awesome. This energizing, open-faced sandwich is my go-to healthy breakfast today. Spray oil in a pan, pan-fry shrimp until pink and cooked, then scoop out. Add a little more oil, toss in shredded cabbage and carrots, stir-fry briefly, season with sea salt and black pepper. Pile the veggies right in the middle of the pan, then make a well in the center. Crack in an egg, drizzle a bit of water, turn off heat, cover and let sit 3 minutes. Grab a toasted bread slice, squeeze on some salad dressing, lay a cheese slice, pile on the cabbage carrot egg mix, then top with shrimp. Your perfect, healthy breakfast is ready. Light and low-fat shrimp, broccoli and carrot stir-fry. Super easy for home cooks to nail. Slice peeled carrots diagonally into small chunks. Stand them upright and slice into even diamond shapes. Combine salt, low-sodium soy sauce, cornstarch and water in a bowl. Set aside. Bring water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a drizzle of cooking oil. Add the broccoli and carrots, blanch for 1 minute, then remove and drain. Heat a little cooking oil in a wok. Add the prepared shrimp and stir-fry until they turn pink. Toss in minced garlic and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the blanched broccoli and carrots. Pour in the prepared sauce. Stir-fry quickly and evenly. Then serve immediately. Give it a go.